everybody, this is Mr. Regner, and I'm here to introduce today Chapter 9.3. It's all about measures of center. And that sounds like, what are we talking about? Well, in statistics, whenever we collect data, we're always looking to figure out where the center of that data may be, and that's a measure of center. Sometimes that measure of center is a great way to kind of summarize what that data shows. So last time, I think I asked you how many siblings you had. I can ask another statistical question this time, and I'll say, how many pets do you have? All right, so again, I've collected some random data here, and you can see I've got 1, 0, 3, 2, 2, and 1. Whenever I'm looking at a data set like this, I can find one measure of center called the median. Now, if you've ever been driving on a divided highway, usually in the middle of the road, there's a strip of grass. And that is what they call the median of the road. You might hear that on traffic reports where they say, oh, there's a car pulled over in the median. Or in the icy winter weather, sometimes you pull over into the median of the road because you slip over off the road into the middle of the road. The middle of the road is called the median, and the median of a data set is the middle of the data set. So it's not quite that simple. For example, here, notice my numbers are not in order. So in order to find the median, I just put them in numerical order. I'm going to do this really quickly. 1, 2, 2, and 3. So I've just taken this data on the top and I put it into numerical order. Now to find the middle of that data, I just find the middle numbers. So I can literally go through and kind of underline the first and the last, first and last. And I'm stuck here with these middle two numbers. Now if I have an even set, I'm going to have two numbers in the middle. That kind of makes sense. But if I have an odd set of numbers, the middle number is my median. In this case, I have two numbers in the middle, so I just find the mean or the average between those two. So what goes in between 1 and 2? It would have to be 1.5. So the median equals 1.5 for this data set. Now the mode, I'm going to write this out here, M-O, mode starts with M-O. See, look, M-O-D-E. Do you know what else starts with M-O? It's the word M-O-S-T, most. That's because the mode of a data set is the number that occurs most often. So this is a really simple one. If I just look at my data set up here, whether it's in numerical order or whether it's all scattered, sometimes numerical order makes it easier because I can look here and I can say, hey, look, I've got two number ones. I only have 1, 0. I have two number 2s, and I have 1, 3. So the mode in this case would actually be two numbers. It's the number 1 and the number 2 because they occur most often. So in a data set, you can have more than one mode. You can have one mode, or it's possible that you have no modes. For example, if I didn't have any numbers that repeated, it was just 6 numbers that were all random and none of them repeated, I would have no mode. All right, so it's possible to have no mode, one mode, or more than one. In this case, I have more than one. So these are some measures of center that you're working with in Chapter 9.3. Please read the chapter, check out the example videos, use the try it problems for practice, and then go into big ideas online to complete your assignment. This is Mr. Regner saying, stay safe.